Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing, so yeah, let's dive in. This is a vanity case, and if you guys remember, I also had a red vanity case a while back, but I returned that back because in the back it was just peeling off around the corners, and then the strap, it has raw edges, so I wasn't very happy about it. But lucky my essay, he was okay for me to return that bag. Anyways, let's just take a look at this one. And I also have the receipt. So before this bag, it was actually $3,900, but now it's actually $4,600. So if you guys want it, get it as soon as possible. And I paid $50 for fast shipping. Anyways, let's open this up. Here's the inside. So the inside, it's lambskin, and this one, it's also made in Italy. It's black, so I really can't show you guys that because so here is the price tag, and then here is the info, and here is the authenticity card, and inside the zipper there is another extra key. It's gonna leave it in there. The bag has two dividers, and then it has two zipper compartments. The zipper is not as smooth as I thought it. Okay, this one actually, the zipper is a little stiff. Damn it. Okay, as you can see, I'm struggling with the zipper right now. What the hell? Maybe because it's new? Oh my lord. The zipper is not as smooth as my red one. But it's so hard to get this bag. And then there's another key in here. So there's actually two keys, not just one. Yeah.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen?
that is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir